In reference to the law of divine oneness and the HR40 bill, the law of oneness says that we are all connected. What goes around comes around. What I do to you affects you. What you do to me affects me. And therefore, every action, every thought is connected and goes back full circle. So in reference to slavery and where we are today, are we not all affected by it? Every single one of us on the planet, have we not been affected by it? If you break down the word government, it simply means mind control. And wasn't that used to create slavery in the first place? Do as I say, or else I'll use force and violence to make you do what I say. Are we as a people asking the very same entity that uses force and violence to control us to make reparations for something that we're all affected by? Why is it that money will solve the problem? I don't think it will. Government is slavery.